Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter jelly sandwich meme updated. Start by choosing clearly labeled bread, peanut butter, and jelly. Pick contrasting textures for better comic timing. Layer peanut butter first, then jelly, then compress gently. Exaggerate measurements and reactions for humor, and film multiple close-ups of spreading to emphasize the absurdity and timing. Use a simple 3-shot structure. Setup, exaggeration, payoff, and keep pacing tight. Begin with dramatic prep, then an overblown spread shot, and finish with an unexpected reveal or reaction. Add caption timing to land the punchline and choose a contrasting soundtrack to heighten absurdity while keeping visuals clean and easy to read for meme formats. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help more creators make fun content. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money, and I mention it because even meme makers appreciate practical advice. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a copy if it speaks to you. Now let's get back to the video. Edit for maximum clarity and timing by trimming dead space and emphasizing the exaggerated action. Match sound effects to visual beats and fine-tune speed ramps so the spread looks comically precise. Test captions on small screens and export in multiple aspect ratios to fit social platforms. Subtle color grading helps ingredients pop without distracting from the joke.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.